Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're in the garage slash shop and we are doing another upgrade. What we're doing today is we're going to epoxy the concrete floor with the Rustoleum Epoxyshield product. Okay, let's talk about what we did to get ready for this project. There was a couple steps we had to do first. So we first of all pressure washed the concrete slab. I'll mention this slab is in good shape. It's about 3 years old. I think it's a perfect candidate for a process like this. So after pressure washing, they want you to do an acid etch, and they give you a powdered material that you mix up with about 8 liters of water. You pour that on with a watering can to etch the concrete, which is going to grab onto the epoxy. Then after that, you do a final rinse. Let it dry for about 24 hours, which has got us to this point now. Okay, as always, let's go over what we're going to use for this project. Paint roller, 3/8 10mm sleeve, lint free. I'm going to use an extension pole just because it's going to be a lot easier to roll the floor this way standing up. Paint tray with an old liner, a synthetic brush. We got the Part A, Part B epoxy mix. I'll show you how to mix that up. And we got these optional flecks that you sprinkle onto the floor that are going to give it more of a custom look. I think it's going to be pretty cool when it's done. And I decided to grab a little 5-liter bucket to pour the epoxy into once it's mixed in the bag. And then from here, I'm going to transfer it to the tray just to make sure I can stir it up quick and I can get all the material out of this bucket into my pan. You know, we don't want to be short on this project. We want to make sure we have enough material. All right, it says to start rolling part B, which will break this seal and start mixing these things together. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give this thing a shot. See if this works. All right, sounds like the seal is broken. We're going to put this in. Now that it's broken, we're going to mix this coating around. So we're going to shake this back and forth like it says. It also says to squeeze the corners of the pouch. We're going to do this for a couple minutes. And then we're going to be ready to start rolling. So just to be sure this is mixed properly, I'm going to pour it into this pail that I got here, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. I've got the gloves on because even though they say you can clean this stuff with water, I prefer to be clean. And I also got the knee pads on because we're not getting any younger. Now they say, guys, you got about 45 minutes to work with this stuff. So we'll put that to the test. All right, guys, first half done. Starting to dry up. You can get an idea of the color. We added in the optional fleck. I think it looks pretty cool so far. Seems to be drying too without any real seams if you keep your edges wet. So we're gonna let this set up and we're gonna move some stuff around, and we're gonna follow the same process on the second half. All right, guys, hope you got the gist of putting down this epoxy shield product. I think what we'll do is we'll end the video here. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe for more DIY stuff to come. I'm really digging the color here. I like the fleck and the epoxy as well. Stay tuned for updates too. I'm gonna post more videos to see how this floor is holding up and how it actually adhered to the concrete. So take care and have a good night, guys.